plus 1 is 2.
He's so cute. I'm so happy that he's my pet. Charlie's so old though. So old.
Girls, just a reminder, I'm trying to teach. Let's focus.
It's so good. Like, I don't know why.
Girls, I'd like you to fill out a SOAR reminder for talking. I've reminded you many times. At this point, the girls have gone over, they've filled them out quietly. They're going to leave them in the spot and then go sit back down at their seats, okay? Leah. I'm done teaching now, okay? Let's talk about this really quickly. So you said you could show growth in being accountable and showing respect. So tell me what happened and what you will do, what you'll try to do differently in the future.
I was talking in class when I wasn't supposed to be, and I will remember to not talk when the teacher is talking.
Excellent job, Leah. Thank you so much.